Are you looking for the best multi-purpose portable carpet cleaner? In this video, we bring you detailed reviews of the top 3 multi-purpose portable carpet cleaner, helping you easily choose the best option for your needs. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 1. BISSELL Little Green Max Pet Portable Carpet and Upholstery Deep Cleaner, Car/Auto Detailer, with self-cleaning tough stain tool and pet hair removal tool. Brand, BISSELL. Color, may vary. Item weight, 3.72 kilograms. Style, Little Green Max Pet. Model name, Little Green C2. Every purchase saves pets. BISSELL proudly supports BISSELL Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. Superior suction, 30% more powerful than the competitive portable deep cleaner. Instant and permanent pet stain removal. Used with triple action Pet Pro OXY spot and stain formula with urine eliminator and stain protect technology to protect against future stains. Self-cleaning tough stain tool. Rinse out left behind residue, dirt, and debris with a one-touch hose and tool cleanout. Easy to use. Longer hose and cord let you easily clean hard-to-reach messes, and the 2-tank technology simplifies filling and emptying while keeping clean and dirty water separate. Spray, scrub, and suction. Triple action cleaning removes tough set-in pet messes like muddy paw prints, embedded dirt, biomesses, and more.
Number 2. BISSELL Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner, Car and Auto Detailer with exclusive specialty tools. Green. Brand, BISSELL. Color, green. Item weight, 9.7 pounds. America's #1 brand in portable deep cleaning, trusted by over 7 million households. Take the stress out of mess, scientifically proven to lift and remove 100+ common messes and stains. Ultra-powerful triple-action formula permanently removes stains and powerfully eliminates odors for like-new results. Large 48-ounce clean water tank. Clean more uninterrupted with large capacity clean water tank. Easy stain removal, just spray, scrub, and suction. Don't spread the mess with paper towel, deep clean stains and odors beneath the surface. Every purchase saves pets. BISSELL proudly supports BISSELL Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. Number 3. Starrybot Portable Carpet Cleaner Machine with steam and heating technology. 18 kPa powerful suction with versatile tools for pets, couch, spot cleaner for stairs, furniture, rug. Strong suction power with 18,000 PA of suction effortlessly eliminates stubborn pet stains and spots from carpets, upholstery, car interiors, and more. Experience the deep clean you and your pets deserve. Multiple cleaning modes: cold water clean, warm water clean, and steam sanitization that adapt to various surfaces and cleaning challenges. This versatility ensures thorough and effective results, whether you're dealing with everyday spills or deep grime, making it a highly efficient solution for any cleaning task. Versatile brushes for precision cleaning, equipped with a 3-inch hand tool for stubborn stains, a 5-inch wide tool for larger messes, and an integrated crevice collector tool to tackle dirt in tight gaps. The Starrybot Upholstery Steam Cleaner ensures both precision and efficiency. Additionally, the steam brush tool is designed for targeted steam treatment of deep stains. With its range of brushes, cleaning becomes faster and more effective, delivering excellent results quickly. Efficient tank design for easy cleaning. The 60-ounce clean water tank and 40-ounce dirty water tank design provide efficient and hassle-free cleaning. The 6.5-foot hose allows you to clean large areas without having to move the carpet cleaner machine constantly.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.